One of the top questions I get from sellers is, should I stage my home before selling? Well, the truth is, it depends. Staging can make a big difference, but it's not always necessary. If your home is vacant or has an unusual layout, staging helps buyers visualize how furniture fits and makes the space feel much warmer. But if your home is already updated and decluttered, a light refresh with my occupied stager might be all you need. You can get most of the benefits without spending thousands by clearing out extra furniture, using neutral paint, and making sure maximum natural light exposure. You can always do a phased approach where digital staging and then you fall back to physical staging to minimize cost. And some sellers only stage key rooms like the living room, kitchen, and primary bedroom, which keeps expenses down, but keeps the wow factor at maximum. At the end of the day, staging isn't about perfection. It's about helping buyers imagine themselves living in your home. That's why I always remind clients that staging is a tool, not a requirement. It works best when it's part of a bigger strategy tailored to your specific home and market. If you're thinking about selling, I'm happy to walk your home and give honest feedback and advice on whether staging makes sense for you and your family. And as always, thanks again for watching and have a fantastic day.